Hello, welcome to HVAC Maintenance Tracker, an affordable cloud HVAC service contract organizer. We have a new feature that we added due by popular demand from a few customers, and they wanted to see the contract value for all of their contracts that they have in here. So I thought about it and figured out a way that I can make this work for everybody. So what you do is you go to customers and go to your demo user. I have the contract amount list beside of each property. But in order to get there, you have to go into edit and then you add the contract amount here. This is under edit property. So once you add the contract amount, then it will go into the system. So now we go over to contract value. At the top, we're going to see current contracts value, $5,171.30. This is a total of all the contracts that are active right now. If they've expired, they do not go in there. If you go to customer for the report, click on search, and then you'll see that the different properties and how much money that each one of them is worth. If you see a red box around the date, that means it's going to expire within 30 days. So that means you need to call the customer and go ahead and get it renewed. If you go up to property and click on search, it'll show the properties and each one. If you click on this one, it's showing that this particular property is getting ready to expire. So if you open it up, it says who it is and who you need to call, and also which property it is. This will help you stay in touch with the customer better and be able to keep all your contracts paid up and keep them under control. But again, you go into your customer, go to edit, and you put it in right here. All of your other information that you have stored in your contacts are still in there, and we just added that field for you. So this should work out pretty good for you. If you have any questions about it, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to, if I need to talk to you on the phone or whichever, whatever I can do to help you use the system better. We have people that have thousands of customers on here, and this is definitely one that I think was a very good suggestion and that I've added. Have a good day.